Last night, I watched the same national championship football game that 20 million of you watched. And they had a unique coin that they used for the toss at the start of the game. And I'm staring at a quarter right here that is kind of unique compared to the quarter that was available on the market 10 or 20 years ago. And I realized that this coin represents the life of kind of every business owner. If you stare over at this screen, you can see there are events that I have to take care of that are unique to me as president of a technology company that's growing at a double-digit, potentially triple-digit % rate. But that's not all that I am. This is one side of my coin. This is the side that's predictable, the side that's quote-unquote beautiful. It provides for me, provides for my employees, and it provides for all of our attached families. It's a big deal. But the other side of the coin is just as important. For me, the other side of the coin represents training and preparing for the World Championship in the Duathlon. In something like 6 months, I'm going to travel to Spain representing the United States of America in an international competition, specifically an athletic competition. People will be wearing shirts similar to the one I'm wearing right now, and we're going to do a multi-sport event that's going to take us through the mountains of Portugal and Spain and running on the coast of Spain as we try to be the best athletes in the world. Preparation for that revolves activities like this, completely unrelated to the part of me that defines my identity as a president in a company. For example, on Monday, I'll run 10K, do Pilates, and have some physical therapy to keep my body straight. On Tuesday, I'll have equally challenging activities, but not at all related. Very similar to the life of a president of a growing technology company. Here's a company organization chart, albeit a little out of date. As you can see from the pictures, it makes it seem like the lines of delineation between manager and employee are very cut and dry. But the truth is there's huge geographic issues here. The sales manager is in Waxhaw, North Carolina. The sales assistant is in Atlanta. The sales people range from Florida to Hickory, North Carolina to Matthews, North Carolina. Same can be said of engineering with employees in California and the Carolinas. We make this all possible using Microsoft Lync. Microsoft Lync allows us to see the status of our employees at any given moment. Right now I can see that Jean is busy, as is Jessica, but Dan and Barb are available. If I wanted to communicate with Dan, I could simply hit a button and make a phone call to him, or I could bring him in on video and see what he's doing. I can see a picture of myself on video right now, for example. Or if it was a really important topic, we could have a multi-person chat session right now with everything being saved inside of our email. Without technology, it wouldn't be possible for us all to work from home and have the highest quality of life possible. You are also a business owner and manager. You have two coins. You have the side that looks like this, and you have the side that looks like this. How do you resolve them? How do you reconcile them? Is it challenging? We'd like to hear about it. In the comments section, tell us what your challenges are, and perhaps there's technology out there that we can use to help you accomplish your goal.